best. Hold on. I can't believe y'all are being so kind like that. Give me just a second. I feel so special. Thank you. Hold on. We're going to play our song. Hold on a second. Sorry, guys. All right, hold on. Hold on. You guys are the best. Thank you. Let me see. I'm trying to pull it up. I'm taking forever. I know. I'm sorry. Hold on. If you were gifted, please tell PJ, Reality Wins, and Just My Girls. Hang on a second. PJ, thank you. Reality, thank you. Just My Girls, thank you. If you were gifted, please tell them thank you. Welcome to the Gummy Squad. Oh, I botched it. And if you threw a party, invited everyone you knew, you would see the biggest gift would be from me, and the card attached would say, thank you for being a friend. Thank you for being a friend. Thank you for being a friend. And if you threw a party, invited everyone you knew, you would see the biggest gift would be from me, and the card attached would say, thank you for being a friend. Thank you for being a friend. Thank you for being a friend. All right. And if you threw... That was awesome. Thank you so much. You guys, y'all really know how to make a girl feel special. I really appreciate you so much. So much. Y'all are amazing. Thank you for helping me. Angela's Clips and Giggles says, she says, Angela's Clips, maybe so there sure wasn't anything done to stop her raging. Sure, it's an open panel, but damn, that doesn't mean let's let people rage it out on other panel. Oh, man. God is trying to lead you where he wants you to be. Drama is not your true path. You're right, Don't Dive. You're right. You're always so wise. I respect you. I respect you. I hope you know that. Obviously, I do, right? If I didn't, I wouldn't take heed. Open panel doesn't mean dog pile or yelling or screaming. So I'm going to get into that. You did your best, Britt. There's nothing you can do when a bunch of unhinged random panel guests dog pile. That lady, what did they say her name was? Angela? Who the hell? Y'all. Wow. If there's anybody that I'd like to make an example with, I'd like to use that lady. Did y'all see that lady come up who brought Clue and Cletus up? That lady. I'm like, who the wow. And listen, I'm sorry. I know I lost my temper, but I ain't the one. Don't come up yelling at me and having, you know what I mean, Queen, and nobody was even talking to me like that. And that lady come up there and was like, what? You know, trying to white knight. I wasn't even talking about Clue. And I had told Sarah prior to that I had no interest in talking about Clue and Cletus. I don't want to talk about. I have nothing for that situation. That lady, I don't even. I mean, she acts like I knew her. So I wanted to just to say, like, that's a prime example of what this incitement and all this hate does to people. That lady had so much hate in her heart for me. You could hear it. I mean, you could hear it. She would have fought me if I was standing in front of her, y'all. That there's no doubt in my mind. If I was standing in front of that lady, she would have hit me. And yeah, I'm sorry. Just Sue, I can't let somebody talk to me that way. Listen, it probably will get me in trouble even more, but I'll be damned if somebody's going to come up and yell at me like that and talk to me that way, and I'm not going to defend myself. Christina, I went up on QB's panel and I was trying to talk things out with her. You know, or at least I don't know. I don't know what I was doing. I'm not trying to like betray anybody. I know that there's some people that's upset with me for doing what I did, but I've got to I'm not trying to braid hair with, you know what I mean? Oh, I don't know what I'm doing anymore, honestly. I I can admit when I'm wrong about things. I don't mind taking accountability. I don't mind talking about things. And you know, Queen was very civil to me, and I will say that. Um I don't appreciate all the people. Um I don't think that was fair. I don't think it was fair. Every time I blink my eyes, there's a new person up there. Um but at the same time, she was not, Queen herself was not hateful to me. She had I think that me and her could have talked, and it would have been more productive. But she let the dog, or not the dog. I read this. Is it Ot Dog? Ot Dog, thank you so much. That's cute. Thank you for the $2. I appreciate that. Let me get you a round of applause. Hold on one second. I don't even know. Like, I don't know. I don't know why Queen did that. Why she had to. Maybe she felt like she had, didn't want to tell him no. I don't know. I don't know. Lord have mercy. Thank you so much, Hot Dog. Diana says, I'm so glad that you got off of that. So glad you got off before Nana got to talk to you. She wanted closure from you, she said. Closure for what? That's what I want to know. Closure for what? Carolina Moon, thank you so much for being a member for 18 months. Holy moly. 18 months. Thank you. Woo, woo. Carolina Moon. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. 18 months. I love you, Brittany, but follow God's path. Yes, ma'am, always. Lord knows I don't always do that, and it gets me in trouble. Give me just a second, guys. Hold, please. Hold, please. One more time. Thank you, Carolina Moon. I love you very much. What are you? Oh, my goodness. Lie to me. Wow. That's so generous of you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Kudos to Brittany for clicking that link. You always hear click the link, and no one does. You did, and the civil conversation couldn't even be had. QB was civil, but QB could have also shut the rage down from the others, shaking my head. Lie to me. Thank you so much. I appreciate that so very much of you. Me, all right, give me just a second. Sorry, guys. One moment. My tooth just started really like freaking. I'm gonna drop the link for reality. Hold on one second. Yeah, I agree with you too, Lie to me, but thank you so much. I'm gonna give you a gong. One more time. We're gonna do a gong. The gong. The first gong for tonight, guys. And do we got another? Oh, yes. Tinks. Thank you, beautiful, for this super sticker. I appreciate you. Ouch. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. Hold on. Let me get I'm gonna drop the link. I gotta get my medicine. I got to. My tooth is hurting bad. It just started hurting. Is reality here? Y'all give me just a minute. Queen has an open panel all the time. Things were good until Sarah come up there. Nana wanted to talk to you. What is their point about, like, I'm sorry. I don't see the point in Nana. Let me give a round of applause for Tinks. Give me just a minute, guys. I'm sorry. I'm getting my medicine. And then we will talk. You know what I did? I ate a carrot cake truffle, and it is not going well with my teeth at all. Hey, reality. Can you hear me? Uh-oh, I don't hear her. Can y'all hear her? Oh, no. Oh. Who am I being restreamed by, Jamie? Let me get Tinks a round of applause. Tinks, thank you for the super chat, super sticker. Oh. Oh no. Hold on, guys. There you go. Tinks. Again? She did it again. Hold on, we got to give her a gong. All right, I got my medicine. Let's see if this helps. Reality, where'd you go? Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Thank you, Tinks. Thank you, everybody. Okay. Ooh. Y'all remind me not to eat another truffle again. Oh, God. No, my asthma's been pretty bad today. I'm okay though. I'm good. I got I got it moved back. I feel for you the tooth issue. I cracked my tooth in grade school on the gymnastics bar and it never got fixed. I fully broke now and I am old and have to wait for my insurance to sort out. Oh, big mama. I'm so sorry. There she is.
I'm here.
Hey girl.
Hear me now?
I can hear you.
Yeah, I had to fix my mic. I don't know what was going on.
My nose is stopped up. I'm so sorry, y'all. It's going to sound crazy because it's totally stopped up.
You did well. I am proud of you. But I was so concerned. You know how I am.
Yeah. Well,
but you held your own.
I got to tell you, I didn't expect it to. People kept saying, go on, she's not going to let people up. She's making people go down, you know? So I was like, okay.
No, that's not how she operates.
And then when I got up there, it was like I blinked my eyes and bam. But bam.
Woo! Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. Check your chat. Wow.
Whoa.
Read that.
Whoa.
Woo!
Whoa. Izzy girl. Wow.
Wow.
I haven't seen anything like that in a long time.
Oh.
Wow. Thank you, Izzy girl.
You have to read it.
Okay, I'll look for that, Jiggy. Izzy, thank you. She says, I thought things were going decent between you and QB. She should have shut that bullshit down. Sarah appeared. More conversations could have been had without the mentally unhinged girl that came in blazing. I wanted to go through my phone and yank her into reality. Is girl, holy moly, thank you so much.
You get it all, girlfriend. You get it all. You get the clap, you get the gong, and you get the thank you for being our friend.
Yeah, we got to do it all. Hold on a minute. Let's give her a gong. Wow, thank you. Let's do an applause. Let's do another gong. Let's do an applause. Oh my goodness. You guys are absolutely amazing. Izzy girl, thank you so much. Wow. I appreciate you.
So kind.
So nice. And I agree, Izzy. I don't know why that happened. I don't know why
well, why were they going off subject?
I
on a
don't
lot of things.
Right, because I was answering every question that QB asked me.
Right.
And
we have to give I have to give props to two young ladies. Don't dive, please stand up and take a bow. And Nikki Baby also needs to stand up and take a bow.
Reality let Brittany know I defended her. Did you?
She did.
Would she go up?
Yeah, she went after Clue.
Nikki, you went up?
She did.
What? You called Clue out? What'd she say? Wow, Nikki, my girl. Wow, Clue was unhinged tonight, wasn't she?
She made a threat.
What you say? Keep my name out of your mouth. This is my final warning. Like,
Yeah, and if you don't, you're gonna wish you didn't, and I have something for you.
oh, wow. Well, I'm gonna tell y'all. I do gotta give a shout out to a lot of people in QB's chat. Angela was reading comments to me tonight before I got on the live. After I had hopped off, and there were so many people in QB's chat who were saying, "No clue, Brittany didn't want to talk about you."
Right,
They
right.
kept bringing her up. To be fair, these people don't like me, and they stuck up. They were telling Clue. I tried not to, and a lot of people was like, Brittany and B should have been able to talk. She shouldn't
Yeah,
have. They shouldn't have
that's
let a
the
lot
way
of
it
people up
should have
there.
been. That's the way it should have been. It should have been just the two of you. And then if there were others that would come up and act like decent human beings and ask questions and have a conversation like adults, fine. B Tim, you're a bitch. Okay? I'm gonna just say it again. You're a bitch. You had no business being in the conversation. Talk about her freaking kitchen like that. That was so
Oh my god,
awful.
yeah, that
Come
that
on.
that does. Oh my god, like you're gonna what? Go over a picture of an
And
old
don't
ass
ask, hold on. And
man.
don't ask me to come over there on your panel. I'm not going into the devil's den. I'm not stupid. And it wasn't about me anyway. This was for Britt to go up there and have conversation with Queen Bee.
I don't know, Timmy. There was a lot of people who kept telling. There were so many people, I mean, in QB's chat that said that I didn't bring Clue up. They were like, I told Sarah brought her up first, and I
Yes.
told Sarah I don't want to talk about her. I have nothing to
Yeah.
say about her.
That unhinged lady. Man, you're off
And
the
then
freaking rocker, man. You need some help.
that chick, whoever she is,
You have some deep seated hatred for somebody you never even met. That
yeah,
you need to go seek some attention for. You need to go see therapy. Okay, go seek
yeah,
therapy.
she was. I mean, if that woman, whoever she was, that her Angela was her name, I think. If I would have been standing in front of her, y'all, she would have hit me. That's how angry she was. And I want to point her out because this is a prime example of what the incitement does to people.
Right.
They watch lives about me every single day. They watch every single move.
What about the respect value? Doesn't anybody have any respect for themselves?
Mm.
What about the respect for the fact that she has a baby in her belly? That kind of stress and anxiety is not good.
Megan Else, Britt, please don't ever do that again.
A lot of people felt that way. Yeah, because it's not going to resolve
Sorry, y'all.
anything. It's not going to resolve anything, Britt. You've
I
seen that.
really, I really tried, y'all.
You did. You got to give yourself props for that.
Thank you, Misty. Misty sent me the video. Hold on. Hold on.
Let me interrupt you, BJ. I'm not gonna do this shit with you. I have nothing to say to you. Nothing. Shit you said about my kid and my mama.
This is about her child.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, that shut the fuck up, bitch. Shouldn't come up. Shut up. Shut the fuck up. I'm not.
Woohoo!
Fiance's name and my daughter's name out of your goddamn mouth. Started right the fuck down. Keep my name out of your mouth, bitch. You will not like what. Oh my God!
You will not like.
Shut the fuck up. Listen to my goddamn morning, bitch. I'm trying to tell you right now. Look, why you cover me every fucking day? You can't ask me. Hold on. No, you don't stop.
Give the claims now to talk to Queen. Right. Queen shit. Leave us the fuck out of this
Well, maybe you need to tell.
Then why'd you guys get up on the panel?
I said I didn't want to talk about you. If you can't fucking do it, you won't like what the fuck happens.
Oh, listen to that.
You won't like what the fuck happens. Did you hear that?
But I can't say shit about you.
That's a threat.
So you heard me try to tell them. Fiance said, You come up here to talk about Queen. Keep us the F out of your mouth. And
They weren't
yeah, I
even
tried to
mentioned.
say I didn't bring
They weren't even
you know,
mentioned. They weren't even
right.
talked about.
I didn't even bring you up, bro. You know, like your hyenas brought you up.
Right.
And like, man, hold on. So that was that clip.
Mm-hmm.
I think this is
All right, Stitchie, you go
Nikki.
ahead. And then Nikki, baby, do you want me to pull you up here? You're on camera. Is that okay? Thumbs up?
Yes,
You're
she
good? Okay, all right,
is.
baby. I just want to be
Go,
sure.
Nikki, go.
Go ahead, Stitchie. I'm sorry. Go ahead. I didn't mean to interrupt you. Whenever everybody's finished, I just want to say something. All right, baby. Who initially brought Clue into this conversation? I'm not sure. Maybe it was me. I don't remember though.
Mm-hmm.
Clue, why do you have any reason at all whatsoever to come up and tell her to shut the fuck up talking about you when the whole goddamn panel was speaking on you? You cover her every day and you expect her not to say a word about you or your fiance and your daughter's whose name who she probably doesn't even know. Who the fuck do you think you are? God or something? You think you control everything? You think you can cover her every day, but she can't say a word about you. You have got some serious issues, Clue. You really truly need help. Hold on, and that's all I need to say. Wait. I'll answer. You want to know who I am, bitch? Yeah, I don't know. You're a nasty, nasty,
You're
nasty
nobody.
girl.
You're
You are.
nasty.
You're
Yeah.
a nasty
Yes,
woman.
you
You're a
are.
nasty girl. All right,
You're a
goodbye.
nasty
Okay, buddy.
girl.
You're so trying to save a hoe. Go back in the chat.
That was Nikki. That was Nikki, baby. She stood up. Woohoo.
Nikki. That's my girl. Y'all throw my girl some hearts and love in the chat. A lot of people would not do that shit. So many people are afraid of this behemoth. I'm telling you. Oh, yes, girl. Yeah. It's not even that I want people to defend me. Quite frankly, I don't want y'all to defend me because I don't want you to put yourselves on the chopping block.
No, she won't. Hold on.
But
No, Queen Bee won't come over here. I already asked her to take the link. I've asked her to come over here. She won't come over here. And it's still open. You still can come over here, Queen Bee, because I have questions. And I won't treat you like they treat Brittany. That's not who I am.
let's see. Megan L says, Britt, please don't ever do that again. I'm always quiet, but I hear all, see all, and if I make a channel, people are going to be very unhappy when I show my unquiet self. I adore you. I'm sorry, Megan. Listen, for what it's worth, I just was trying to, I don't know what I was doing. I don't know. I know I've pissed some people off tonight, and I just need to go ahead and say some I'm sorries because Chronicles of the Shady. I am fully aware of what she said about your niece, and listen to me. I don't have any fucking compassion for her for that, or for some of the things that she said about my family too and my friends. At the same time, I have no intentions, had no intentions of braiding her hair, or you know what I mean, like making nice with her. My goal was to go in, smash some of the lies, talk through some things so that at least we can get to a point of, you know,
Resolution.
yeah, potential resolution.
Is my hold on a second. Is my mic better, guys? I turned it down.
Yeah, I think so.
They're saying it was loud. I turned it down. But yeah, some type of resolution because it's been going on way too long.
Yeah, I mean, and it's like like I said, that doesn't take away from the things that's happened. I'm not forgetting about the things that's happened. I'm not negating them. I know what's, the it's just too much. I don't know.
I don't think. Let me say this. I understand where you're getting. Let's see. I understand your reasoning on the fact of going over there and what you felt you needed to do. But in actual reality, if you think about it, dear, it's not going to accomplish anything. They're still going to think the same about you. And they're still going to continue to call you the names that they do and still say that you're a liar. I kept reading that thereafter. That's all it kept on coming up. You're lying, you're lying, you're a liar. It's just like you're already hell bent. That's all you ever do. And they don't
Yeah.
want to see you.
Yep.
They're already stuck on that. Well, it's good to see you, beautiful. And I don't think there's any reasoning with them. I mean, it's possible you could have had some little bit of resolution with Queen Bee on her own. The rest of them, no. You seen how they all were?
Right.
But I can say maybe here on out we can maybe try to not talk about them or ice them out or something, because it's not gonna nothing's gonna get fixed. Good night, Boston Rose. Thank you for being here.
And Nosy Rosie, let's give a shout out to Nosy Rosie really quickly. Thank you so much, Nosy Rosie, for the $4.99. I'm sorry. Shame on them.
Yeah, there were people that were doing that. Secret.
Yeah.
There were that were wishing you, you well and the baby.
When her
Mm-hmm.
after the baby started.
Throughout, there were some that were in there doing that. Yes.
Oh wow. Okay. Huh.
But I just hope that you take this all in and that you can see that there's not going to be resolution. It's probably best to move forward. And we can, focus on the true crime and getting your channel back on the track.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because you did. I'm proud of you for that. You did go over there. You showed that you weren't chicken shit. Put it that way. you went up there. You were holding yourself.
I'm definitely not chicken shit. Like I'm not, and listen, I'm not afraid to tell people how I feel, right?
Right.
So it's not that at all. Misty Moonlight, woo woo, $10. Thank you so much.
How
Round
kind
of
of you.
applause for Misty. And Misty, thank you for the emails for the clips. Misty sent me the clips. Thank you so much.
I think it's best for your channel, for all of us, because all of us that are here and supported you want to see what's best for you, your channel, your family, and the baby. We're all excited for the baby.
Yes. I love you, Misty Moonlight. Thank you so much. She says, super sticker. Let's give her some. Hang on. Thank you, Misty. Oh, one more. That's so funny to me. That damn gong. You guys are incredibly generous. I want to read this comment too. Hi, Charlie girl. The Behemoth and Buzzy would never take a link on their own. They'd only come.
Yeah, it has to end somehow. We might as well just move on. Seriously. Hi, Music Tourette's. Hey, little one in that belly, you need to get off of her lungs, sweetie.
I'm telling you, it's
Move
killing me.
over. Yeah,
I
you
feel
gotta
extra
move
heavy
over.
tonight, so bear with me, guys. I'm so sorry. The baby has me all. Happy holidays! I love you. I'm glad
Happy
you're here.
holidays.
I was wondering if I was like, oh no, this bitch better bring her ass back. Happy holidays. I love you. I'm glad you're here. She's been a member for 19 months. She says, thank you, Nikki. Thank you. Happy
Woo,
holidays.
woo.
Love you.
Absolutely don't dive. And thank you for going up there and getting her off the panel. Ooh, you're getting more super chats. Woo, woo.
Oh, you guys are so awesome. Thank you so much. All right. Let's see.
Ooh.
All right. Let me get oh my goodness, you guys. Thank you. Happy. All right. Let's see. And then oh my goodness. We got Ann Mata. Hashtag never again, Britt. Never again. People like that can't have exit, or I'm sorry, I said exit. What am I saying? People like that can't have civil discussion / discourse. They have to dominate conversation and make people submit. You owe them nothing. Thank you.
Absolutely. Well said. Woo, woo.
Let me see. Let me see. Where did it go? Okay. We're going to do a gong. We're going to gonger. Ready?
Ready.
There you go, Ann. And then we got one more from Miss Tam. Thank you, sweetheart. You missed my monthly stat. Oh no, we got to find it. It may be an overlook. Sorry if you're mad. I'm not mad at you at all. I'll back out for a while. When reality yells, it wakes up my hubby. I love you. Hold on. I'm not mad at you at all. None of us are.
And I'm sorry if I woke your hubby up. I turned my mic down.
Hang on a second. I'm looking for her. Did anybody else see her milestone? I want to be able to read it. I'm so sorry, Tim. I would never just overlook you. Weird.
Oh, it's got to be back there.
I'm looking. I don't see it. That makes me feel so bad. I'm so sorry. I never, ever, ever want to ignore those.
Toggle to the fan tab.
Wait a minute. What? Hold on. Hold on. There's Carolina Moons. There is bear with me, guys. There it is. Shit. Way at the beginning. Tam, member for 12 months. You are strong. Stay at it, sweet lady. Oh my goodness. Thank you for being with me for 12 solid months. You are amazing, Tam. I hope there's many more to come. Thank you, sweetheart. We got to give her a gong. That's so funny. Don't you think about Freaky Friday when you hear that?
I didn't hear it though.
You didn't hear the gong?
Mm-mm. You guys hear the gong?
Hold on. Now,
Mm-mm.
did you hear it that time?
Mm-mm.
What? What about the applause?
Mm-mm.
Weird. What is happening?
They can hear it.
What?
Did you ever see the Gong Show? Yeah, we seen the Gong Show. Yeah, they hear it. I just don't hear it because I have
What
mine
the
down low.
hell?
They hear it. They hear
Oh,
it.
okay.
I have mine turned down because everybody was saying I was loud. So they got it. They hear it. Get off my. Hey, get off there, dude. Hey, get off.
What is it?
Oh, Silas is up on my dresser. Get off. Get down. What are you doing up there, dude? Get off. You're looking at me like I didn't do nothing.
You gotta love it.
You're so nosy.
Tam, I would never ignore you, sweetheart. I hope that you know that. Okay. Hey, Robbie. Hey,
Come here,
Boston.
Lily. That's it.
Wait
Lay
a minute.
down.
Does Robbie have his link? Yes, I mean his wrench. Yes. Okay. How are you, Robbie? Good to see you.
Hi,
Uh,
Robbie.
Izzy says, have you thought about covering the case out of Illinois? Ex-husband follows ex-wife into her home, stabs her to death. I think it was late January. I have not, but I definitely will look into that, Izzy, for sure.
The 3-year-old that I told you about.
Huh?
That's right. The mother is being detained now.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
They found a
Oh,
mattress. They found a mattress, baby mattress at that, and
oh my God.
car seat and something else.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I cannot. Craig sent me one yesterday that absolutely gave me nightmares
Oh.
about a person who kidnapped like a 3-year-old little boy and they set him on fire. Yeah.
Oh,
Trigger
that's
warning.
horrible.
I told Craig I can't do it. That's just I
Oh,
can't. I
yeah.
can't.
I
Look,
think.
Don't Dive said, wow. Izzy, wow. That's what I said too, Don't Dive. I ain't got a super chat like that in a long time.
That was nice.
Incredibly grateful and generous, guys, honestly.
Yeah, it'll probably be hard for you to do children cases, true crime
Yeah,
cases.
it is hard. Yes. So, Nikki baby, what got into you tonight? Nikki went up and said exactly what all of us was thinking, you
Mm-hmm.
know? Like, how are you going to sit here and threaten this girl and tell her she can't say a word about you, but you go live and stream her every single day?
Yep.
And you notice, Nikki, she did not answer you. She didn't give you an answer. Because what can she say? What can she really say? Honestly.
Ooh, Jiggy. Read Jiggy's comment. Interesting.
And I also wonder if I can't help but wonder like if that person was coming up there on for her,
Mm-hmm.
to get that started. They don't want me and Queen having a decent conversation.
Mm-mm.
Where's
Nope.
Jiggy's cup? Wait a minute, what did Jiggy say?
You gotta go up like 6 or 7. It's about Nancy.
Hold on. Where is it? Huh, I can't find it. Hold on. Hey, Otto.
Let's see if I can get up there where it's by.
Yes, Robbie, prayers for your mama. Got it. Guys, please say a prayer for Robbie's mom. She just had surgery. How's she doing, Robbie?
Sending prayers, Robbie. What are you doing, you word cat?
All right. Britt, I heard today that they found a Google search on Nancy's from 7 months ago. Also, Google what Savannah's salary was. What?
That's interesting.
I wonder why she would Google what her daughter's salary was. Huh. Interesting. Very interesting. Reality, I think there are a few developments in the Guthrie case. Oh, really?
Sounds like it. I didn't watch much of it today. Maybe like 10 minutes of it.
I went to Save Robbie's channel. He made me cry. I hope your
Oh,
mom is okay. Her message made me bawl. Oh, enjoy life. Yeah, me too.
you couldn't. Music Tourette's said she was in the chat last night. She couldn't chat. She was in.
Really?
Yeah, she said she can't chat.
Weird. What about tonight? Is everything okay? Is it working tonight?
I see her. She's chatting tonight.
What the hell? I don't know. What
That's
is
what
it, Jiggy?
Soul Child. I heard that yesterday somewhere that she was in a relationship. I don't remember where I heard it from, but I heard it.
Lord. The bigger the case, the more turds you have to sift through to find the truth. Ain't that the truth?
Mm-hmm.
That is
I,
so true.
I don't know about having a channel. Not at this moment, but
I just don't understand, like,
with all this kind of
just
drama, I'm not sure.
talking about like all the stuff. Obviously, Queen wanted to hash things out, or she wouldn't have. You know what I mean? She even went back live and
Yeah, but it should have just been her. Honestly, it should have just been her.
I agree. I agree with that. That I mean, because hold on a second, y'all. Ben, how are you? Hello, Benjamin. What is the one job you have as a human, male or female? What is it? The one job you have as a human?
To be
Uh,
kind.
yeah, you. Let me think.
There's a lot of good answers.
Yeah,
Everybody can
right.
want one. Yeah, you have to be.
Yeah, being a good
I think
human.
you're supposed to be kind, and
Yeah.
considerate, and helpful, and caring. Yeah, be protective. Um, be a good listener.
Yeah. We listen and we don't judge. Right? I don't know, being thus women in the end have one job. Let's be real. Women make other humans. No way we can, as humans. Okay, I've been
Them
comments.
that
Hold on. Shit.
women are neutral. They're supposed to be neutral.
Condemn that. Oh, thank you, Ben, for saying that. I appreciate it. Yeah, I don't know. Um hold on a second, y'all. Okay, Jiggy. Okay. All right, hold on. I want to know, does anybody, let me ask you guys this. I'm asking this for a reason too. Does anybody know? Oh, Lord. My poor dog is having false pregnancy. Been keeping GA Bulldog and Ball next to her. She added 6 more toys and balls yesterday. Big litter for a little puddle. A little poodle. I said puddle. A little poodle. My goodness. Is having false pregnancy? What's a false pregnancy?
Or she thinks she's pregnant, but she's not. So but she's acting like she is.
Oh. Okay, Megan. Have a good sleep, sweetheart.
Good night, Megan.
Hmm. All right. Hold on 1 second. Poor little dog. Right, don't dive. Is Lolly in the chat?
She is.
Hey, Lolly. Hold on.
Supposed to be considerate. That's another one that's important for
There
both.
you go. Yeah. Banjo. What's up, Banjo? Nah, her chat was chanting for you to come up today. They did it all for spectacle. They could care less if anything was hashed out or not. It's a great conversation.
Yeah, it was for content.
I still I'm still not sure like
Ooh,
what is
wow.
it?
Want to be sleuthing? Oh, Lord.
What?
Her cat Taco had a false pregnancy and her surgery was $7,000.
Whoa.
Fully covered by the vigilante cat superhero. I
And you
had
all that's
helped,
funny.
helped out a year prior. Freaking miracle. $7,000. Woo wee.
Wow.
Pam says to watch Lolly's live from today. It's very important what Lolly has discovered.
Okay. I will.
And Debbie, yes, I agree with that. But we know it's not going to help anything on that.
What?
Make peace for yourself. And that matters. Put you in a Yeah, that's expensive. Dang.
Taco. Your cat Taco.
It's a cute name. That'd be cute to name all your little puppies or kitties. Taco, burrito, enchilada, tostada, frijoles. Wouldn't that be cute? You okay?
Yeah, hold on a second. Give me a minute. I'm puffing. Hold on.
Well, that's good. Your little guy is okay. Ah, good. There you go. That's a really good point right there, Ben. I like that. She's doing it now. She's using hers. I got more of mine today in the mail. I'm I'm good for like 2 years. Yeah, you can only hope, Julie. But I don't see
All
I
right,
don't
I'm
see this
okay.
today.
I got the bambino on my lungs, and then my nose is incredibly stopped up too. So I do apologize, y'all, but I'm good. I do want to ask,
Mhm.
hold on.
Mhm. Yeah, I get my inhalers through the mail through my insurance company. They offer it.
Well,
Mhm. You thinking about that one, Britt?
yeah, hold on a second.
I truckers run.
Trying to. Somebody told me that when I use my inhaler, if I breathe out through my nose,
Mhm.
when I breathe it out, that it's
Mhm.
supposed to help my
Mhm.
nose too. Which one of y'all told me that? So I'm trying that. Okay. Yeah. Sorry, guys. It's just that the baby is way up on there, and yeah, I've got a Ventolin auto, and it's incredible.
I used to have one of those. I have the other one. I just have the inhaler. I also have a breathing machine over there if I need to use it. My inhaler is the red one this time. My last one was gray.
For the is it Ventolin?
That's the one I used to have.
Okay, because that's the one I use is Ventolin. Well,
Yeah.
I've got a Ventolin, and then I've got the Ooh. Okay. I was wondering. Wait a minute. Shoot.
So do I, Debbie. They send me mine for, it says there's 200 metered, I guess, um, inhale for it. So it's usually about 6 months supply.
Oh, really?
They give me three. I have 3 boxes. Yeah,
Oh,
let's see.
wow.
I get mail orders of them.
Give me one sec. Let me see. All right, I do want to. Did anybody recognize that lady at all? I
No.
know I hate to go back to that, but oh my god, she she straight up, y'all. If you don't want, if there's ever a reason why these hate channels need to stop going live about me every day and pounding it into these subscribers' heads,
Mm-hmm.
she's a good example of what going live about one person every day and I don't want to say brainwashing, but it is kind of like they're being brainwashed.
Yeah, well, it's predictive programming over there. Um, Hi, people. Good to see you. Not healthy.
Mm-mm.
How many times you're not supposed to treat human beings like that?
No,
You're not supposed to
I'm
hate
gonna
another person with such passion as they do.
no, I'm gonna pull it up. Hold on, because I want y'all to really like, for those of you that might have missed it. This was
Was it that insane person that was speaking to her like that? Rosie?